Hi there, hi everyone, welcome. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, May the 11th, 2022. And it's also a war day number 77. 77 days ago, the war has started in Ukraine. So, day number 77. We have here three regular puzzles. Binary puzzle we have here, the first one. Then we have a medium Sudoku and a killer Sudoku. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 6 extra puzzles. First one is a letter Sudoku. Then we have a 2 stars. The 3 stars, tectonic with 4 stars. Binary puzzle and the tectonic with 1 star. And those puzzles, I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve. 3 of them I will solve. And with these 3 regular puzzles, total of 6 puzzles. First one I will do is a binary puzzle. Number 4535. 4535. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh, between 2 ones comes an O. Then we need to think. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. This is number 5. Okay. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one. Here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Then. Between 2 O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Then we need to think. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. And if I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row. In this row, not allow one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be an O. Yeah. If I place 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5th one here, then we still have 3 O's in a row. in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be a 1, this should be an O. Alright. Then here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place a number 5, the 5th O here, then we still have 1, 2, 3, 4 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. If I place the 5th O here, still we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Now we have the 5th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the rest are 1s. Between the 1s comes an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 1s. So the rest are O's. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. Here we have 4 1s. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we still have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's in a row in the first row. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. If I place the 5th one here, we still have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Now we have a double O, here 1, there 1. 5 1s, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between two 1s comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. And between two 1s comes an O. Finish in 7 minutes. Alright. Great binary, boys and girls. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second regular puzzle. Sudoku Medium it will be. Until then, bye-bye for now.